Families of the Jackson Elementary School in Hempstead waking to learn a trusted teacher has been arrested for sexually abusing 3 children inside the school. John Finnegan set to be arraigned today on 4 separate counts, and detectives fear there are more victims. The school notified parents several days after they were alerted to the allegations in a letter saying several students had come forward telling the principal the teacher had inappropriate contact with them. The 51-year-old Finnegan was subject to a special victims detectives investigation for a January 3rd incident involving a 10-year-old girl. That uncovered 2 additional victims, both girls. The charges, 1 count of sexual abuse and 3 of endangering the welfare of a child, and detectives making a plea to parents looking for more victims. That arraignment happening today. Again, the school reaching out to parents, letting them know that they immediately remove the teacher, put him into his own home in Island Park instead of here in the classroom, saying that they want to always put students first. We are waiting to hear if any counseling services are being provided for children here at the school. But this is just such a disappointing message for parents to have to wake up and hear this morning.